there, this is Rose with Remodeling Wizards of Maryland. On today's episode, we asked the contractor, should I do it myself or should I hire someone? We also define the term rough-in. Stay tuned. Today on Ask the Contractor, we're talking about when you should hire a contractor rather than doing it yourself. John, when should we hire a contractor?
That's a great question. Rose, of course, there's people who can do things on their own. If they have the skills, they have the tools, they have the time, and they have the physical ability. But it's always good to hire a contractor if you need to pull a permit, if you are doing electrical work, plumbing work, HVAC work to your gas line, or structural work. Any one of those categories. And on top of that, even some of the finish work. For example, if you're doing tile backsplash in your kitchen, well, you may be able to do that on your own if you have the tile saw and you have the skills. But when it comes to doing tile work in your shower, call the pro. You want to make sure you don't have a leak.
It's Terminology Tuesday, the day of the week where we pick a construction term and we talk about it. Today's term is rough-in. John, can you tell us what that is?
Sure, Rose. A rough-in is all the work that gets done behind the walls, up in the ceiling, in the floor, the things you don't see. So for example, it's the electrician that runs the wires through the walls. It's the plumbing pipes that go behind the walls. It's the ductwork that goes behind the walls. That is the rough-in. And when the rough-in is completed, before you put the drywall up, before you put the floor back in place, that's the trigger to call the building inspector and get a rough-in inspection.
Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, follow, and subscribe to our page. We'll see you next week.